Right, here we are again, doing a bit more work on the 22. We've cleaned a lot of crap out of the cab and engine compartment. We've had a bit of success with the cab lock. We've actually got it moving, which is down in that hole in there. We've been lubricating it, greasing it, getting shit out of it, and it's actually moving now. So we're going to leave it for now, that bit, and with grease and release oil, and hopefully that'll free up the next visit here. Been greasing various bits and pieces and making assessments. Everything's sort of been well maintained, well greased up. We've got a complete door, replacement door, and we've got 3 rear door engine covers, which are in really good condition. So all this will come off and it'll be refurbished, and then they can work a bit on the engine then. She's taking shape now, but the biggest bonus today was getting that freed up a bit, because it was tight. So basically his engine, that's under the head there, it's going to be done. Number 6, service the engine, and then we'll
part of it?
Yeah, the bird's nest from Cumbargo. No birds, no legs, nothing in it. But that's the fault we found in there. It was a bird's nest in there. But yeah, she's getting there now. Obviously got a bit of plate work to do, a bit of welding to do. But cleaned out in there is a lot better than it was. With a black bag full of stuff out there. There you can see. It's all nice and clean. Got pig mats at the back there. I'm going to renew the belt on the engine cooling fan and the alternator belt at the same time, probably. Do another filter change. But we also got this track plate to do. Found some more pins and bit of welding to do there. But that's the biggest bonus today, is freeing up that cab lock. But it needs another hour or so on it, I reckon it'll be fine. Otherwise we'd have to get the gas down here. So just think this has been down here, is it 2 weeks now? Has this been here?
Yeah.
2 weeks this Wednesday. So she's getting there. The plan is to get the mechanical bit sorted out, and then sort of well, next spring into summer, prepare for the paint. There's no point in painting anything this time of year. So yeah, she's looking good. So till next time.